If you are after adding not just protection, but also style, the leather cover is your best bet for the Note 20 Ultra. If you are interested to buy this case, link is available in the description below. This case is elegant, thin, and extremely pleasant to the touch. Plus, you know that leather just gets better as it ages. We have the black color here, and while we can admit that it's not the most protective case, don't get it if you are afraid you can drop your phone. It will protect your Note from a light fall and from scratches. If you like leather cases, the Samsung leather back cover for Galaxy Note 20 series is sure to please you. It's an excellent option for all the working professionals who want high protection, slim profile, and a premium in-hand feel and design. This Samsung accessory has been designed with soft leather that doesn't add much bulk to your smartphone, which is a major concern while buying leather cases. Added to Samsung's accessory range earlier in the year through a partnership between Samsung and Danish textile company Kvadrat. The partnership has resulted in a unique and stylish textured case, which provides protection against light drops and scrapes. Overall, the case is slim and light, perfect for customers who prefer to retain their Note 20 Ultra's thin design. The Kvadrat case for the Note 20 Ultra is available in gray and red. Genuine leather provides excellent grip and protection with minimal bulkiness. Made to accentuate the slimness of your phone, the soft leather case doesn't add bulk, so you can maintain the phone's comfortable, ergonomic grip as you jot down a note or watch a video. Enhanced with aluminum buttons and a soft microfiber lining, this case elevates the refined look of your phone. Remove the cover for optimal wireless power share results. Being a premium phone, the Ultra deserves a leather case that's every bit as high-end as it is. If you ask us, the leather case that meets those standards is the official Samsung leather cover. Offered in 6 gorgeous colors, this case gives you genuine leather that looks incredible, a microfiber lining to protect the phone, and aluminum buttons that feel great to press. It is definitely not the most rugged case, but it is thin, light, and soft to the touch, while the color complements the Note 20 nicely. It's a case that puts looks and style first. The buttons are easy to feel, and the cutout at the bottom makes it easy to use gesture navigation.